everybody. Welcome to the pre-launch of my new makeup line, Starstruck. I'm so excited for you guys to see this and be able to, be here with me for the launch because it's so important. You guys are all a part of my life in so many ways. It's amazing. Hi, everybody. Hi. So I wanted to let you know that Starstruck is officially up for pre-sale, and it's so amazing. I love it so much. I've been working really, really hard. My entire team, and Daniel has been working so hard. Out of all of us, I think he worked the hardest. And now we're here, which is so exciting for all of us. And do you guys want to see it? I'll show it to you. It's so cool. There it is. All the colors. And then I'll show you all of them one by one. It's cool. If you want to know where you can get Starstruck, you can get it on the suncitystore.com. So you can get it at suncitystore.com site. And it's the only place where you can get it right now. And it's all done by me, so you can be rest assured that you will get an amazing box in the mail with your products that you order. And every pre-sale right now will send you a personalized note saying thank you and an autograph. So it's not just, the product. It's a little note from me as well. So I hope you guys like it. So I'll start with, this is called Sugar Plum. This is what it looks like. Ta-da. And here we go. It looks like this. Oops. Sorry. I'm left-handed, so everything's a little backwards. So there's Sugar Plum. I love this color. This is like one of those colors that you can wear every day. I'm wearing Baby Doll, which is next. I'll show you what Baby Doll looks like. This is Baby Doll. Beautiful. It's so pretty. And put that one there. And it has a lot of pigment, which is what I love. Because it's the worst when you put on lipstick and then you get somewhere and it's already come off, which is like crazy. Like I put this on over an hour and a half ago and it hasn't moved. So, and I usually eat my lipstick because I'm hungry all the time. What to do? So, Cherry Bomb. I love this. This is one, every time you see me wear red lipstick over the last year, probably year and a half, it's been this. It's been Starstruck. And it's so great. You see how amazing it goes on? It's so beautiful. It has so much pigment. Super cool. Hi, guys. You guys are so sweet. And this one I love. Oh, I know. I love all of them. But I'll tell you why I love all of them. I love this one. This is like a brownish color, which is really pretty. This is one of those everyday wears if you want to, ladies. And it goes on like that. And it's so pretty. Super cool. That's cinnamon. And this one I love. This is like one of those nights where you're feeling like, I want to do something not crazy, but you want to really spice up an outfit. This one's called Starry Night. It's gorgeous. It's like this maroon color. And this one looks like that. And it's so great because it has so much pigment. I love it. So there's that plum color, Sugar Plum, Baby Doll, Cherry Bomb, Cherry Bomb, cinnamon, and Starry Night. so excited, you guys. I can't even begin to tell you how excited I am. It's been something that I've been working on for so long. Hi, everybody. I know I've been so consumed with lipstick. You guys can get everything on my site, suncitystore.com, and all the pre-orders. Today's the pre-order launch. So if you really want a copy before it all goes away, you should pre-order, and I will send you a personalized note and, a thank you and an autograph in the box that your product comes in. So it'll be lots of fun. And you guys will be the first. You guys get to be the first people that get a copy of everything. So it's so nice, and we've had some amazing sales already, and I'm so excited that people are purchasing pre-order, and I'm so happy. And I think ladies out there, or guys, if you want to order something for your friend or your mom or your sister or your girlfriend or your wife, this is a perfect way to do it, and she'll feel beautiful. So I'm so excited. Oh, I want to show you what the lip gloss looks like on ladies and gentlemen. So I love this, and then you will see how pretty the gloss goes on. Sorry. And it's nice and thick, and it's super shiny. I'll show it to you. And again, the lip glosses have a lot of pigment as well. Because like I said, no one likes your lipstick to come off in 5 minutes. And there you go. See how pretty and shiny it is? Compared to the lipstick side. And then there's... there. Now you know what it looks like. And one last thing. Okay, one last thing. I want to show you what the liners look like. How amazing. This is one of my favorite things in the entire kit is the lip liners, because they go on so amazing. Ladies out there know what I mean when I say that we all hate when you put on the lip liner, it drags across your lip and doesn't go on smooth. It's the worst, because you have to spend so much time in fixing it. So I'll show you how this works here. Okay, I'll do it on this side. I did it before. And it just goes on so smooth. And you know when you're putting on red lipstick or dark lipstick, it just it's so important that that line is straight and pretty. So I love it, because that's why I spend, in all my videos, I spend a little extra time doing the liner, and that's why, because it needs to be perfect. It's kind of like the setup to the lipstick and then the gloss. But there it is. And there are the colors. Guys, I'm so excited. You guys are the first to see this, and we worked so hard. So if you want some, it's worldwide. So if you're anywhere in the world and you want Starstruck, you can order it on suncitystore.com. And I think that's the end, and I love you guys so much, all right? Thank you again for being here, and